Okay guys, so let's be honest. We've all dreaded cleaning our fridge, opening it up, and realizing, oh my god, we've let this go way too long. It's okay, you're not alone. Grab your trash can, your cleaning supplies, and come with me as I deep clean my fridge. Get your stuff so you can clean too. Okay guys, so right here, as I'm taking all of the food out of the refrigerator, I'm just checking the labels. I'm checking the dates to make sure I'm getting rid of all of the food that is expired. Now, the way I clean my refrigerator is in steps. So step 1 and 2 were the first clips you saw in the beginning. So step 1 would have been to fill your sink with soapy water so that you can have that to wipe all of the dishes down, as well as all of the drawers and other components that we're going to pull out later on in the video. Step 2 was to simply open your fridge and assess the situation. If it's really bad and hectic like mine, just realize it's okay. Life happens. That's what we're doing now, is taking the time to start over and get our fridge clean. So step 3 for me is to make sections. I clean from left to right. So that's why I started with the door of the refrigerator. All of the stuff in the door of the refrigerator I put on the left counter. And then all of the stuff on the right side, which is the actual fridge, goes on the right hand counter nearest the stove. I make 2 separate piles so that it's easier for me to keep everything organized, and at the end, when it's time to restock the fridge, I know what goes where. Okay guys, so while the refrigerator is pre-soaking with the cleanser, you just want to take a disinfectant wipe or anything of your choosing and wipe down all of the containers, because as you know, the food drips and spills, so you just want to get rid of any excessive stickiness. I just had to show y'all my favorite condiment since I was wiping them off. If y'all have not heard of this yum yum sauce, oh my god, you are missing out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, man, this refrigerator looks pretty clean after wiping it down. Wrong. You have to actually pull out the shelves in the refrigerator so that you can see how much dirt is left behind. You'll be surprised. It's gonna be a lot. Let's pull them out and see.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold.
2 hours later.
Okay, everything should be nice and wiped down and clean now. As you can see, now we can just start putting all of the pieces back in the fridge, all of the drawers and the shelves. Once we have the shelving put back together, we will reload the refrigerator with all of the food that we plan on keeping. Don't forget to add your baking soda at the end. Okay guys, so this brings our video to an end. Everything is nice and clean and new. If this gave you the motivation you needed, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Be blessed.